Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. I've got another haul today. I told y'all I have been hauling, I've been getting stuff, but I haven't been sharing those things with y'all. I mean, I'm sharing them as I use them, but I don't make an announcement about it. So, I believe I was watching Tara over at Bases Loaded Lacquer, and she did a little haul on some stuff she'd gotten from Red Iguana. And y'all, they had a really good sale going on. I'm talking like best sale I've ever seen. Now, I don't follow them like and stalk them, so they could do this often. They could like do it once a year. I don't know. So I picked up some new drill bits for my e-file. I got this. It's a 3/32 Corodium ball number 11. I figured that'd be good for cuticle work, and this one too. This is the Red Iguana number 10. And then I got the number 13. This looks like a really cool bit. I've told y'all I'm scared of my e-file, so I'm still, working on it, but I'm going to start really practicing on, some fake tips or whatnot, and see if I can get a little happier. So I also had to pick up some of their Red Iguana foil transfer gel. This has to be cured with a UV lamp. Y'all know I don't really wear gels that much, but very interested in this. So I had to, and I'm telling you the prices, I can't even tell you how much I paid for everything, but I could not resist. And then I also got some blooming gel, because I've never played with this, ever. And, so it's another product that has to be cured with the UV LED lamp. So we're going to be playing with that at some point. Oh, and this is a 15 ml or 0.5 ounce, and same for the foil gel glue. Alrighty, so the big thing I went looking for, and I don't know, I mean, I've done the alcohol inks where you use the Sharpie and like a little palette and do it, but I really wanted some real alcohol inks. So I got their blue. Look how pretty. And I've got the green. I got all the colors that they had available. I wasn't able to get the yellow one. So there's green. And then violet. Look at that. Oh, if I don't blind you. Ooh, isn't that yummy. And then black. And of course, you gotta have white. And then, look at that, orange. Look. And then ruby. Ruby. And finally, I've got pink. And I know it looks kind of similar to the orange, but they are different. I can see the difference here, but maybe not so much on camera. And then finally I got the brown. That'd be great for like tortoiseshell nails or something. So you guys will see me be playing with all of these items very soon, because I am really, really excited to play with them. All of them. Over the moon excited. Maybe a little too excited. I don't know. But that is my little haulage from Red Iguana. Oh, and I forgot. I almost forgot the last thing. And it's the big thing. I got some nail forms. And, I know y'all are thinking, Tina, but you don't do acrylics or gels. Well, here's the thing. I had another haul, and I guess I could include that in with this one, because I really would like to know how to do acrylics and, be able to play with them, because it's the same thing with the poly gel and the builder gel and all the other things. I want to have them and know. So I bought these because all the nail forms I have, I'm not real crazy about any of them, because, they don't stick to the nail good. So this is my other haul that made me buy these. I bought Suzie's Acrylic Clean Monomer from Nail Career Education. It's just a little container of monomer. It's not a very big one, something to play with, see how I like it. And then it came with the white powder and the light nude pinky color. So I did break down and buy these because I want to play with it. I want to kind of learn, but I can't be playing with stinky stuff in my house. Okay, my husband already complains about the smell of acetone nail polish, so I had to get something that I could play with and not get in trouble for playing with it. So you guys will hopefully see me playing with these things soon also. So that is it for my little haul. I do hope you enjoyed this, and let me know what you've been getting lately. If you've been finding any really cool deals or products, new items out there for us to, you know, add to our repertoire. And I would love to hear, because you know, I don't know about everything. So that's it for me today. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself. Talk to you soon.